Welcome to Mobility Equipment Recyclers, your one-stop shop for all your mobility needs. This certified pre-owned 2020 Pride Quantum Q6 Edge 3 is a state-of-the-art power wheelchair designed to enhance your mobility and independence. It features a sleek and modern purple shroud and a mid-wheel drivetrain for a tight turning radius so that you can move effortlessly in even the smallest spaces. The seat on this wheelchair is 18 inches wide by 19 inches deep with an 18-inch backrest height, but don't worry if these aren't the right measurements for you. We can adjust the seating size for your best fit. The standout feature of the Quantum Q6 Edge, however, is its capability for powered seating functions. The tilt function on this wheelchair allows the user to redistribute pressure, reducing the risk of pressure sores. The seating also reclines fully so the user can relax in a comfortable lying or lounging position. And with the power legs function, users can elevate their legs and feet for improved circulation and reduced muscle fatigue. In addition to these main functions, this Quantum Q6 Edge 3 comes with a number of other features, like these transit hooks that provide anchor points to safely secure the wheelchair during transport in a vehicle, and a joystick mount that swings away so the user can pull up more closely to tables and work surfaces. A lighting kit is also included, ensuring that the user can see and be seen even in low light conditions. This 2020 Pride Mobility Quantum Q6 Edge 3, which normally retails for $30,000, is available at a significantly lower price. It has passed our rigorous 16-point inspection process, and with only 14 miles of use, is a fantastic value. And remember, we ship worldwide, so you can improve your mobility no matter where you are. No other source for mobility equipment can match our commitment to quality and value, so visit our website today at mobilityequipmentforless.com. Don't miss out on your chance to check out this wheelchair and many more like it. Act now to secure this wheelchair while it is still available. Are you in the southern New England area? Visit us in our North Kingstown, Rhode Island showroom today. If you have any questions or want to check out our chairs, give us a call today.